Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video. So, in this video that I am making currently, go down the description below and click the link, the download link. This link should pop up right here. Now what you need to do for this is, you will see this right here. So click I am not a robot, and hit free access with ads. So what you will need to do is get this add-on. You can remove it after, but it's a trusted tool. It's just so I can get money, they can get money. So after you added that, it'll be right there. You can delete that right after if you want. So find box and remove from Chrome. Remove. Now you have to discover articles. Right after you click on it, all you have to do is hit X and wait 8 seconds. It helps me out to make these videos. If I make enough, I'm going to try to get a better mic. So after you did those two, all you have to do is hit continue. And wait for this. And it should bring you here. So all you have to do is hit click to download. And it will download. Just hit X, then click to download. Then it will download right here. It's called FDM underscore X64. This is for Windows only, so do not click any of this stuff right here. I use this all the time. I'm just showing you guys how to install it. So I'll talk to you right after this download. After it has downloaded, you will want to click on setup.exe and install for all users if you want to install it on your computer, kind of. Install for all users. Click yes when that pops up. Next. Next. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, make sure the box is checked. And if you want to start up while you start up your PC, just hit create a quick launch shortcut and click install. Now after it has installed, this window will pop up, and now go back down to here and click finish. Now we will open free download manager, and this is what it looks like. Set as default. Now say we want to download a YouTube video. What we will do is, I have one of my YouTube videos here. What you will want to do is copy the link for the YouTube video. You can do that by copying the URL, or right clicking on the video itself and hit copy video URL, which I usually bring it from here. Or one other way is you can hit share and copy. So right after that, you hit add new download, then it will automatically pop up here, and you hit OK. Now it's getting info about the video, and select what you want for a format and what the name is, then you can hit download. Now you can close the web browser while this is happening, like this. And if you're downloading multiple items, you can download files and stuff like that. If you have the extension for free download manager, which you can get through the Chrome store, you can install files and stuff like that if you want to. Now that this is all done, you can just open the file and it'll be under downloads for you. Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech here. I promise this is not a virus. I can put a virus check link down below, or Actually, I can show you guys right now. Is my file a virus? I forgot what it's called, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm using virustotal.com and I'll choose the file. So go under downloads and FDM setup, hit open, and it's all undetected. These guys give it +1s because it's not a virus. So it's all set. There's no abnormal behavior and it's all safe. You can test it yourself before you run it if you want, but yeah guys, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.